Your personality is amazing. You just chill. It ain't nothing wrong with being chill because everybody can understand that. You just being Tony. And that's what we like to see. You being you.
Perfect. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony Tone. I'm back with another video. Hope everybody had a great, awesome day today. It's hot as hell outside today. Let me just say that. But I'm gonna be making some spaghetti for the family tonight because I ran across some. I can't talk today. I ran across some ground beef that was on sale today. So anytime you see ground beef that's on sale, grab it up. Seriously, you want to grab it on up. Normally this ground beef, shit. I mean, it says $14, but I got it on sale for $12. Normally this ground beef is about $16, $17, no cap. And I got another one for the meatballs. I got another little pack for $5. That's not bad for this big old thing of ground beef. So this is what I'm gonna make my meatballs from, and this is what we're gonna just use for the spaghetti, okay? Because that ground beef is hot as hell. It's hot. That's why I got my hat on. Normally I have my hat on, but it's hot in this house for some reason. Really hot in here. It's hot in this. It's hot. I feel like hell in here.
Take the fan, babe.
I'm
Picture on camera about how hot it is.
well, y'all can see the sweat. Look at this sweat. Hot. All right, I'm joking. Nah, you ain't got to get up and get the fan. But I'm going to make my meatballs. So I'm just trying to get dinner done really quick because it's like 8 o'clock already. Like seriously, 8 o'clock. No, you ain't had to get up. I'm just messing with you. You ain't had to get up and come in here and get the fan and all that stuff.
I get it.
I was just messing with you.
I get it. You miss me. I get it. I'm a lovable type of chick.
Man. I'm going to make these meatballs real quick, man, because it's getting hot and it's getting late and I need to hurry up and get it done.
Sit your ass down.
No. Shit.
I told you to go make a full course.
Well, I'm going to make it. Shit.
Goodbye.
Alright, y'all. I'm going to get these meatballs made really, really quick because it's so late, bro. It be getting late so fast these days. Just late. And I got to have my meatballs, man. We're going to go with some seasonal for the meatballs. I'm going to go with the onion and herb. Y'all know I stay using onion and herb all the time. That's my go-to. Onion and herb is really good. We're going to get the black pepper. Oh, it's not even open yet. Black pepper. Some garlic. Should I use the garlic salt or the other garlic salt? Yeah, it don't matter. Alright, so I'm going to go with this garlic salt here, y'all. That garlic salt. And that's it. And we're just going to just mix that bad boy on up. Of course, I made a mess. Alright. Everything is nice and seasoned. You see that? Look in there, you can see seasoned. And I'm getting it everywhere. That's why I always make sure my counters are clean, just in case food fall on the counters. And you know your counters are clean. Okay? Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning to it because it's not to my liking. Alright, so let me start making the meatballs. Alright? Put that on the side. My counter is clean, guys. You see, if your counter's not clean, you can't do that. Well, if you clean your counters like I do, you can put your food on your counter. You ain't got to worry about germs and all that dirty stuff. Right? This is going to take a good while to do. So I'll probably just stop it after the third meatball because I know y'all ain't trying to see me make 20 meatballs, okay? Alright, everybody, I got done the meatballs. Really? Y'all should have seen what she was doing. But, you go to meatballs. Look at those meatballs. Look at those got damn wrong balls. Alright, y'all. I had to take off my shirt because it was hot as hell in here. Still hot as hell in here. I had to take my shirt off. I got my nappy head showing. I know I need a barber. I know I need a barber. I know. I need a barber. I know. I get it. Okay. Gosh, you ain't got to say shit. Alright. Got the pan going, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and get these meatballs started. Oh yeah, y'all hear that sizzle? Oh yeah. Look at that. You see that? Be careful, that pan hot right there. Yep. Alright, in this pan, we just going to throw the regular ground beef in there, okay? Right there? Yeah. We're going to cook this on up. There's no sizzle in that one, okay?
You ain't gonna... I thought you were gonna leave them a little bit of that meat.
I can't like this.
Really?
This. She's talking about the dogs, y'all. Y'all wondering what the hell she talking about? Something about leaving a little bit of meat for the dogs. Yes, I snitched. This, a little bit more.
A little bit more.
That.
Jeez.
That.
Got all them big ass meatballs.
Look at this meat. Look at that.
That
Look,
ain't fine.
that's enough. Yeah. That's enough. They don't need a damn half a pack up.
And
they don't need
and neither do you.
They don't need a half a pack of ground beef. Shit.
Neither do you.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. All the damn red meat.
I don't give a goddamn. Look, this is the we're gonna let this cook, and we got the meatballs going. All right, so we'll be back in a minute. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, y'all. We're gonna add some onion and herb in here, just a little bit. Well, enough. You know what I mean. Onion and herb, and last but not least, Italian seasoning. Okay. And I'm just gonna let this cook down, y'all. I'm pretty sure most of y'all know how to make ground beef. So we're just gonna let this bad boy cook down till we ready to drain. Alright, y'all. I'm hot. Y'all gotta excuse me. If your man ain't in the kitchen sweating, you ain't got a man. Let me repeat that. If your man not in the kitchen sweating while you cooking, you ain't got a man. Alright? Let me cut. I'm bullshit. Alright, y'all. The meat is done, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drain this. Okay, so you want to drain your meat, okay? So, let me go ahead and drain this out real quick. Alright, y'all, we're going to drain this ground beef here. Voila. See that? All that oil, you want all that oil and all that gone, okay? Alright, I drained it. Now you want to do is you want to add your sauce, okay? You want to add, we got Prego Garden Chunky Combo. That's what we use, okay? So, you're just going to dump that bad boy in there. You can get your vegetables and all that stuff. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to get this bad boy just a good old mix, okay? See, I told you that was going to be enough.
I usually got most.
Yeah, I know. Normally you do a lot of sauce and my meatballs. Well, woo, that's hot. My meatballs is almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw my meatballs in this sauce when I return. All right, y'all. My meatballs are done. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in here. I drained it so they didn't. I drained it and everything already. So if y'all was wondering, I already drained it. Then we're just going to mix that bad boy up in with the spaghetti sauce. Alright, y'all, I'm making my plate. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat, man. So I'm getting me a big old thing of noodles. We don't add the sauce. We don't mix it together. We mix it afterwards. Everybody ate and ready to put it in the refrigerator. We put the sauce together. And that's how we do it. A lot of people mix it like my mother do it. She mixed it. But we don't mix it right away. You mix it later, okay? Move on to the sauce. I know y'all. Look at this meatball. Look at this. God darn going it meatball. All right, yeah, my meatballs. Look at those meatballs, boy. Wow. Monster meatballs. Look
Ridiculous.
at this. Look at this.
That's greedy boy meatballs.
Alright, now I'm gonna add some sauce. It's not, y'all. I just like meatballs, okay? I'm gonna try to get most of the sauce because I got a lot of meat. And here go my plate, okay? That is a man's plate. Look at that man plate. Look at that man plate. That's what you call a man's plate.
Greedy, man.
Ain't no greedy, man. Alright, man, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna smash this food. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate everybody that loves watching me cook, because I love to cook for my family, and I appreciate everybody that watch my videos. Let's try to get a couple thousand more people. So like my video, share, comment, and all that good stuff, please. Okay? And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.